Listen long enough, you can love me. Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back with another video. As you can see, I got my natural fine frizzy hair out. I just washed it and I just wanted to quickly do a video about how I wear my hair when I'm wearing it natural. Usually I wear it in a ponytail or like a little bun at the back of my head, but my favorite hairstyle is like this Sade twist sort of situation. So I want something that's gonna be cute and quick and easy because I don't have time to be playing with my hair. I don't do that. The items that you'll need is just some synthetic Kanekalon hair. I think this is like 30 something inches. And I can't remember what brand. I think it's like a Femi. Yeah, I think that's what it's called, Femi brand. It looks really natural. I used a texture that is similar to my hair texture and hair color. I think this is a number 2, but I'll go ahead and put the link to this type of hair below, but they have different textures. So if you have kinkier hair, you can wear that. I think if you have looser curls, they have it as well. All you need is a wristband, some gel. You know how, whatever you use to pull your hair back into a ponytail. I'm using the Got to Be Glue. I don't know if this is good for your hair. Usually I use some other gel, but I'm out of it. So I use just a clump here and I'm just gonna rub it into my edges. I've already combed through my hair and got all the knots and tangles out. So this is my low little puff and she cute. I'm gonna take some Kinky for natural hair moisturizing curl activator cream because I just kind of want to smooth it down. It has to be able to melt into the extensions. So look at this contour, girl. It's a natural Iman sort of look. And I'm gonna take this. All you have to do is take this long piece and fold it in half. So till it's even at the bottom. Stretch it out. I place this under the ponytail, split the hair in two, my natural hair in two, and then I just begin twisting. And what's surprising is that this makes it really, really seamless. Or at least I think it does. You really can't tell, even from up close, where the natural hair starts and where the extensions begin. So I'm just twisting it all the way down. You can braid it as well. I just feel like braiding with synthetic hair is just, this is synthetic hair. Braiding with synthetic hair is just way too much. I just can't do it. And that's it. That's the ponytail. She's low and ready to go. If you want to, you can do baby hairs. I'm just not really into like that baby hair look. I don't know. My favorite thing about this ponytail is that it's kind of like messy, and I like that. I just don't believe in perfect hair. Whose hair is perfect? I'm retwisting it because it was a little bit wonky at the bottom. I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. And there we go. And that only takes literally 5 minutes to do. Once you get used to it, it's just 5 minutes. These hoops are rusted, but it's still cute. That's it. That's like a quick summer ponytail for you girls that want to wear your natural hair out, but you just want something cute, fun, and a little extra. Y'all tell me what you think. Have you ever tried it before? What ponytail tricks do you use for the summertime to make it look natural, not too much tension, good for natural hair? But that's all. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.
Oh,